Hey, Maurice here, founder of Web Highlights. Today I want to show you how you can easily create flashcards from any YouTube video of your choice using the Web Highlights Chrome extension. So flashcard learning is for many people something you did in school. You created maybe even physical flashcards that helped you to actually get knowledge into your long-term memory, because we all know if we watch something once or twice, even 3 times, if we just watch the video 3 times, we might forget a lot of things we just learned. Same with reading articles, etc. And imagine you're now watching a YouTube video or watch a podcast on YouTube. You can now use the Web Highlights Chrome extension to first of all open it in the Web Highlights reader. So we can click the Web Highlights icon here. This opens up the video of your choice into the reader of Web Highlights, and if you use Web Highlights already, you know that it enables you to highlight stuff from this video in multiple colors like this, and you can add notes, etc. So that is what makes Web Highlights so valuable, but this is not what this should be about. I will just delete the highlights again. What's super cool is now that Web Highlights offer this new Generate Flashcards quick action here. You can also use the 3 dots, and we can say Generate Flashcards, and this basically transforms all of the knowledge of this YouTube video together into flashcards. And you will see now here that it creates, based on the content, some question and answers, like what is spaced repetition. Spaced repetition means studying information multiple times, but with increasing gaps of time between each study session. You can also say, hey, this content is not too much. Maybe 10 flashcards are too much. We only want to have 4, and then it regenerates them. And maybe let's wait until this is finished. And once the AI is finished, we can click create 4 flashcards. You can also say, I want to regenerate it. It doesn't look good. What you can also do is you can adjust the answers manually. So if you're not happy with what the AI did, and it's just a good starting point, you can always adjust it by changing it here. But for now, let's keep it here for demo purposes, and we create those 4 flashcards. Now once those are created, it opens up your flashcard deck. So this flashcard deck is now tied to your YouTube video. We can maybe close it quickly. If we open up the sidebar again, you can now here see that Generate Flashcards is gone, and we can say we want to show flashcards. You can also say start learning. But if we click show flashcards, you can see the question and answers we just created. And yeah, so this deck can now be used to start a learning session. We can say start learning, and it opens up the learning session here. And from here we can go through this session, say, hey, tap to reveal answer. What is a key benefit of spaced repetition that can reduce stress? And then we can check what we had in mind and verify it against what we had in mind. We can also say it just out loud. In this case, let's say we remembered it, and if we now tell the engine here that it's correct, the algorithm in the background, which is the SuperMemo algorithm for spaced repetition, it works similar as those physical flashcards in the past. If you say I remember it, it takes this card and puts it like in 7 days again, because it realized, okay, the user knew the answer. Let's put it back to the future, and it recalls or shows it to you again after 7 days. The other way around is if you reveal the answer and say it's not correct, it will show it to you more sooner. So in this case, it would maybe even show up tomorrow again. And by doing this again and again, And once we have this session complete, we see if we say continue learning, hey, there's nothing due right now, but maybe you come back tomorrow and there's something due again. And it shows you the cards which are due to learn, and it basically calculates the perfect times to show it to you again. And in this dashboard here, you can see where you're currently standing at. Right now it's filtered to our spaced repetition learning deck from the YouTube video, and if we clear the filter, you can see all of my cards here from my from my web highlight space. You can see that I did not learn too much, but you can see like 112 cards are already in long-term memory, so I learned those a lot in the past, and those are shown after a very long time again. Like, let's say 6 months, the algorithm says, hey, now is a good time to learn it again, to prove your long-term memory. And yeah, that's basically it. You can do that with any YouTube video, and I hope it helps you to learn new stuff.